Rambling westside ranch home located super close to Aurora University, Aurora Country Club, and the Virgil Gilman Nature Trail. The open floor plan will delight with gorgeous Brazilian cherry wood floors throughout the main level. Living room with bow window. You will absolutely love the updated kitchen with 42-inch cabinets with built-in wine storage, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Bayed eating space with sliding glass door that leads out to the backyard. Main bedroom suite with tray ceiling and 2 closets. Private bath with granite top dual sink vanity. Whirlpool tub and separate shower with custom tile and glass enclosure. Second bedroom. Full hall bath. There is a huge finished basement with a big family room. Third bedroom. Basement full bath. Big laundry room. Backyard patio with covered area. Home sits on a spacious lot located on a beautiful quiet street.